the 2019 Toyota Tundra. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a rear step bumper, lane departure warning, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.